All right, back we go. More videos. January 31st. Start out MLND. 17 million float. Market cap 35 million. Melendo Therapeutics. I don't see any recent news. Biopharma. Focused on developing novel treatments. Orphan endocrine diseases. United States. It's had the big drop back in April. 5 went all the way down to 150. And you can see here April, May. Look at this nice climb. See, a lot of these bios, they make nice climbs. Sometimes it takes months, sometimes faster. So this went to like 325, came back to this 150 line. It's been basing now. Look at this base for a while. And you have a nice line up here to 5. This 5 line. So that's the big gap. Now, where we are now, this came November to 150, went to 225, and gap down again pretty hard to like 160-ish, bounced. We're at 2. And where we are, let's see, 225 line right here. So you see the back and forth. We got to get above this 225 line. It's a big resistance too right now. That's where we dropped off from pretty much. So pretty good candles back here. We're making a move up. So if this breaks 2 and holds right here, we're right at it. 225. I could easily say in this pretty good low float to 3 plus here. Maybe 325 this line. And your low is the 150 line. Look how this is held the whole way. So just take a look at the overall picture. Back, basing, back and forth. You get this room right here. Then you have the big open gap here. So longer term too, this is looking better than a lot of them right now. All right, DT. David's Teas, 14 million float, 75 million market cap. No news recently in this. Operates retailer specialty Canada, United States. Distributes 2,500 grocery stores, drugstores. 2008 headquartered in Mount Royal, Canada. So this has been on a just reading back here. Just reading news. Okay. Yeah, this has been on a tremendous run on this one. I don't know if I ever did this one. This had a big move past 28. Look at this move down. See this down for years. 18, 19, based on 2020. Had a falling wedge here. And then we finally found support about 50 cents on this. You get it a daily. You can take this out now. You put this line at 50. Yeah, right here, 50 cents. So this has been on a really good run. You have another line up here towards 2. Pull this line back here. See, back and forth. There's your 2 line, 50-cent line. Really dropped. That was the March low. Look how this moved up. The 150, 75. The lows keep getting higher here. Nice move. That was a weird candle. Pull back here, strange. And look at it. It's going very slight candles. Grind up. December really started to explode up here to 325. This is where you find support, where all these dips. See this dip, dip right here to 225. And, Friday, this thing took off to 350. So it's really been on a run. Now, at this point, I'm trying to see these lines here. So far away. 325. There's a 350 line. The big line up here, too. It looks like this 4 line's big. Bringing this all the way back. See right here? See all these, stops at this 4 line? And then tried to get over, but didn't exactly get over. So 350 now. 4 is huge. If we can get over 4, watch this candle here at 5. Now, it's been on a tremendous run. You got to be really careful when you're up this high. Because anytime there's any bad news, this could drop like a rock. So when you keep getting higher and higher, the room for error sort of is not there no more, because if you have something bad happens to the company or something, this could drop like that. So your overall support's at 2 lines, pretty big. Closer lines, you have the 250 line. We're going back and forth, breakout. It's still moving up. So this is still a great move. And watch see if we can get 4 this week on DTEA. So really good move. All right, V-Ray. 140 million float. Healthcare medical devices, 720 million market cap. Henry Ford Cancer Institute installs its second V-Ray Meridian Link hack. It is LINAC, it's called. They do radiation therapy systems. So let's take a look at this one too. I think I talked about this. This moved from 950 all the way down. Big gap down 2019. Bounced up to 4, was that 450? And then there's your March low. A lot of these stocks too, some bottomed in March, worse than others. Pretty much all of them went down, even the small, these penny stocks. See, this went down, then you start to move. Look at that. Slowly, 2, getting higher. Look at the lows each time. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up to 450. So, and this is okay right here. See this move? You're still above this trend line if you draw a trend line. So each point you're getting higher. So really, I wouldn't want this to go below, much below 4 here. We're right at it. We're very oversold. You would have big run to 725. You're coming back. This 450 line is pretty big here because that's the gap. It filled the gap back now. So I would expect to bounce soon. That's why 4, get below 4. I mean, anything's possible, but I would like to see it hold there. And then from here, you like to move up again. And then test eventually all these levels, 5 to 7. Fill that gap right here. This is very oversold. 7.61 on stochastic level. That's extreme oversold level. So, I would watch for a bouncing on this on V-Ray. So that is how that's looking. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button. Smash the like button. TradeIdeas.com in my link. Twitter, MikeFrank007. TikTok, MikeFrank3. Instagram, MikeFrank98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades is where I'm at. Feel free to leave a comment. Excuse me, leave a comment right on the wall about these stocks or any other questions. And that's it. Peace.